How is it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is Alec from Blackhouse Vapor Company coming at you with another quick juice review video. This time we're looking at a Nolli.
Are you listening? Damn.
Now we are reviewing the Nolli e-liquid strawberry cannoli flavor today. A little bit more savory on the spectrum. If you have watched one of these videos before, awesome, great job. If you haven't watched one of these videos before, I'm gonna break it down really quickly for you. I'm gonna go through the flavor profiles first. I'm gonna then go into what I recommend in terms of temperature settings or wattage settings for getting the best flavor out of this particular juice. And then I'm going to go over where this fits into my juice lineup. Is this an all-day vape? Is this a desserty vape? What type of flavor is this and how does it fit into my daily rotation? I'm gonna let you know. So let's get started with the flavor profile. Incredibly cakey, buttery, and sweet. That's all I have to say about this flavor. It's really sweet. If you love desserty flavors, if you like that cakey taste to be left in your mouth after you vape, this is definitely a flavor for you. It's very custardy. It's got that kind of vanilla custard flavor to it, what I would consider almost a buttery flavor. Some might say while you're vaping it that it smells like buttered popcorn. Near you, and that generally comes from that typical vanilla custard, heavy vanilla custard flavoring, and that's definitely what I'm getting out of this. The strawberry, on the other hand, is more of a candied strawberry. It's pretty sweet as well, so combined with the cake, it makes a very, very sweet flavor. It's not what I would consider a fresh strawberry flavor. It's definitely more of a candied strawberry flavor. Hits hard on the throatiness, just like a typical candied strawberry flavor would. So if that's something you're into, definitely worth taking a look at. In terms of temperature, I'd say that this is a low to a medium temperature vape, definitely not a high temperature vape. Again, the temperatures that you vape your juices at are all going to be subjective. I'm just giving you a recommendation here, but I would recommend you start low and work your way high to find that perfect middle ground for you. That's just what worked best for me. Now, where does this fit into my daily roundup or daily rotation of juices? It's definitely, for me, not an all-day vape. It's just extremely sweet, but it's a fantastic dessert flavor. It's really sweet. It's nice and cakey. It's full-bodied and extremely flavorful, and I don't think you'll get sick of it as a dessert flavor, so that's how I would recommend it. These Nolli flavors come in 60 milliliter bottles, 0, 3, or 6 milligrams, so keep that in mind. You can only get them in 60s, can't get them in 30s, but they're a pretty decent price, so definitely worth trying out. Alright guys, this has been another quick juice review from Blackhouse. My name's Alec. Thank you very much for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube and you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to Blackhouse Vapor Company's YouTube channel. If you're looking at this on our website and you see that product up above you, consider purchasing it now that you have seen this review, now that you have a little bit more information, or maybe it's time to move to something a little less savory. Whatever your call is, that is an awesome one. Otherwise, you can come down here and sample the flavor at 2148 South 900 East, Suite 3, Salt Lake City, Utah. But thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one. Have a fantastic day.
Are you listening?